Thinking about subscribing? Go for it. Your click means you're part of our happy family. Let's make each day brighter together.
Before we embark on our virtual journey to one of Ibiza's hidden gems, let me invite you to visit our official website. Here, you can explore the enchanting beach of Cala, along with other stunning locations in Ibiza through our immersive and narrated video tours. It's an opportunity to experience the beauty of Ibiza's beaches for less than the cost of your daily coffee, right from the comfort of your home. Now let's set the scene at Cala, a small yet captivating beach located on the southwest coast of Ibiza. Surrounded by rugged cliffs and offering breathtaking views of the mysterious island of Es Vedrà, this beach is steeped in myths and legends, adding to its allure. Cala is renowned for its crystal clear waters and pebbly sands, creating a perfect setting for a day of relaxation and exploration. The beach is also a snorkeling paradise, with its rich marine life and clear visibility making it an ideal spot for underwater adventures. One of the most striking features of Cala is its stunning view of Es Vedrà, a rocky island just off the coast that has captivated the imagination of locals and visitors alike. Many myths surround Es Vedrà, including tales of it being the tip of the lost city of Atlantis, or a magnetic point of mysterious energy. Regardless of the stories, the sight of Es Vedrà against the backdrop of a setting sun is a truly magical experience. For those planning to visit, here's a tip: the beach can get quite crowded during peak season, so it's best to arrive early to find a good spot. Also, the restaurants near Cala serve some of the best local dishes, making it a great place to enjoy a meal with a view. As we wander along the shores of Cala, it's important to remember to respect this natural wonder. Keeping the beach clean and protecting the local flora and fauna ensures that this picturesque spot can be enjoyed for generations to come. To fully immerse yourself in the beauty of Cala and learn more about this unique beach, head over to our official website. Our virtual tour will guide you through its stunning landscapes, share intriguing stories, and provide you with a taste of Ibiza's enchanting beauty. It's a journey not to be missed, offering a slice of paradise at your fingertips. Thank you for joining me on this virtual exploration of Cala. Whether you're planning your next holiday or simply dreaming of distant shores, the magic of Ibiza is just a few clicks away. Until we meet on the sandy beaches of this beautiful island, keep the spirit of adventure alive in your heart.